We really provide an entire solution for all of your content capture needs. We control, frame accurately, pretty much every VTR on the market today, through to video servers, cart machines, and controlling your live feeds.
Our software is client-server based, which means that operators can be working on multiple things concurrently.
There is the ingest timeline, which shows all of the available resources and how they're being used.
We've got a framework that allows us to make sure that these resources don't get double booked.
Any conflicts will alert the operator. We also can provide dynamic resource allocation.
They can simultaneously control live capture from any source on your router, as well as controlling scheduled live ingest as well.
Where you expect an operator to manually type in an ingest ID, the system will automatically do that for you based on a set of predefined rules.
File-based delivery is an important part of many people's workflow.
Anything that arrives on a video server from any source, over a network or from an edit suite, whatever, we just register it instantly and it will be playable straight away with our playlists.
We can really manage the end-to-end content management through managing storage in the conventional broadcast devices such as cart machines and video servers, through to SAN and NAS disk-based storage systems and deep tape archive.
Having a single system-wide database really gives us the ability to easily track where all the media is from one place really easily.
It's really truly flexible and allows you to develop your own queries as your own workflows exist.
We've also got Anchor, which can directly control data tape libraries. It can control nearline storage.
If you already have an archive system in place, we'll happily work with a number of third-party vendors.
Our software integrates with all of these and can deliver assets or search and find assets in these archives and deliver them to the playout servers.
Our systems offer an application called Razorfish, which enables low-res workflows. For multiple stations, you can review low-res versions of your media.
They can make cuts-only edits, segmentation, or mark keyframes, which are all stored in our database or published in an EDL to high-res editors.
When we ask the archive system to restore something from data tape, or we ask your SAN system to perform a transfer, we're really doing it in the order that the content is required.
And our software dynamically does this with some complex algorithms.
A key part of our system has always been that last-minute changes are expected and allowed right down to seconds before a clip is due to go on air.
You can drag media between playlists if you're sharing media.
Events that have already been played out can be cut and pasted, dragged and dropped back into the playlist for subsequent reuse.
You can do search and replace functions as well if there's a particular promo that needs to be changed throughout the entire list, for example.
So that scheduling playout is really painless.
The thing that lets you manage more channels is the ease and the speed with which you can drive the user interface.
You can have any number of monitors so you can look at a large number of playlists in the client at any one time.
A common requirement for regional broadcasters is to have one main feed that can then control multiple regional lists which have their own commercials.
Pebble Beach allows the management of these regional lists to be controlled from a single interface by one operator. Pebble Beach offers a flexible approach to redundancy in the playout chain. This could be AirProtect, N+1, N+N. Really, the options here are endless.
We can mix and match these redundancy options together within one architecture.
The Pebble Beach automation system can grow with your needs. This means that we can add more functionality, we can add more controllers, more device controllers, more playout chains, really to meet your operational needs. This can be done while operations are continuing on other channels.
In a constantly evolving broadcast environment, we recognise and understand the needs of broadcasters, and we deliver the solutions and workflows you need.